In limbo, that is how thousands of Georgians are feeling today over an insurance battle between their provider and Northside Hospital.
We've told you before about the back and forth negotiations between Northside and Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield affecting 400,000 patients. And then just hours ago, 11 Alive learned that Anthem filed a motion to try to end a temporary restraining order allowing patients to remain in network through the end of this month. Tracy A. McPeer live in Midtown. She has been following this battle for weeks now and walks us through what happens now. She also has some advice for patients affected by all of this. Tracy?
That's right, and it's important to keep in mind that as of now, the emergency injunction keeping coverage intact through January 31st is still in place. And as of yet, there's still not a court hearing on the schedule to hear Anthem's motion. So right now, patients are still covered at Northside through the end of the month. Still, the patients we've talked to say this whole back and forth is frustrating and stressful.
I'm shocked. I really am. I feel completely abandoned here.
Nancy Driscoll says she's had enough of the back and forth between Anthem and Northside, with negotiations stretching on for more than 7 months with no definite resolution.
It just really seems like they're both, taking the marbles and going home. They're not looking to help out anymore.
Northside says even though its contract wasn't set to expire, Anthem tried to renegotiate the contract or end it December 31st, alleging Northside was charging them too much. A judge granted an injunction, temporarily extending coverage through the end of January. But this week, Anthem filed its own motion to dissolve that injunction, which would end coverage immediately. It also asked to bring in a court-appointed arbitrator into negotiations. When we checked today, no court hearing had been scheduled yet to hear Anthem's motion. So what does all this mean for patients right now? Anthem says some patients may qualify for continuation of care if the two sides can't reach a deal. 15,000 patients have already applied. Outside of that, patients are stuck waiting for a resolution or may have to consider other doctors.
But I guess we'll start over. We'll start looking at Piedmont or another hospital.
Driscoll says once open enrollment comes around, she may consider another health insurance company, too.
It's all about taking care of me and my family. The whole reason why I pay every month for health insurance.
At this point, both sides tell us that they are still meeting and trying to come to a resolution.
All right, Tracy, thank you.